absolutely amazing.
His tears said it all.
It's beautiful, right? Oh, wow.
It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
This is our new house.
I can't even believe this.
This is a game changer. This is an absolute game changer.
Mr. Oliphant opened the curtain, and I was just blown, mind blown. I was like, this is the thing that I've been waiting for so long.
In 2004, Adam was in a serious auto accident where he suffered a life-changing spinal cord injury, a fractured neck, and collapsed lungs. Adam is remarkably determined, but he still faces daily obstacles. Finding this ranch-style home was a 3-year process, and while the Halperns are making the most out of their current floor plan, I am confident we can make changes which will make their life easier for years to come. What's up, Ryder? How's it going, buddy?
When we came home and saw George here, my heart was filled with excitement. Every time we've come to see George's face, we know that we're coming into something great.
What do you think? Yeah! You ready? Yeah. All right, welcome home.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
This is our house.
This is really just the same living room with a little bit of paint job.
Oh my gosh.
A little Marlena Tice, you know.
This is absurd. When I first walked into the house, the very first thing I noticed was the paint on the walls.
What? Cool.
Oh my gosh, I can't. Every single detail is perfect, from the colors to every little accessory.
This is totally changed. This is game changed. This is game over for us. We win.
It's so perfect that it's like, is this real?
The first thing we had to tackle was the functionality aspect. The bathroom just didn't work for you, man. Not at all. Everyone deserves to have a bathroom that they can go into. You want to see it?
Yes,
ready
we
to
want to
see the
see it.
bathroom?
We want to see it.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Score.
Oh my gosh. We can all fit in here.
You can all fit in there.
Heather.
Oh my gosh.
Heather.
Oh my gosh.
When I rolled into our new bathroom and saw the beautiful tile and saw the sink, I saw the space. It's so functional now.
All right, you guys want to see the rest of the house?
Yes.
Follow me, big guy.
Oh.
No way.
What? Oh my gosh.
We have sliding glass doors in the backyard.
Check this out, big guy.
Adam.
Stop! That is so cool.
When we first walked into the kitchen, the first thing that I noticed was the open space.
I just want to spin around and just blast music and dance with Heather and Ryder. This is our new house.
I can't even believe this.
This is a game changer. This is an absolute game changer.
Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
Walking into the room and seeing my son injured, so bruised and laying there with tubes is something that you never want to see in your life.
I woke up and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
His reaction was, so what? I'll deal. That was true Alex.
Since the accident, Alex's loved ones have been by his side. But now that he's wheelchair bound, he needs a home that gives him the independence he requires. All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So modern and nice.
Can I tell you how fresh and alive this is?
I am in awe of what has been done for Alex. It is beyond our wildest dreams.
Oh boy. Wow, this is Absolutely amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
You guys just incorporated everything that I love inside the perfect room. It's swag, and I'm all about swag. Wow.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain. And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
Jojo was born with Down syndrome in 1998. Now, while the initial diagnosis was a shock, the Gonzalez family was quickly blessed by his incredible spirit. While they've made great strides, Jojo lacks a safe space where he can independently thrive. This backyard has potential, but requires a major transformation this hardworking family could never tackle on their own. All right, Gonzalez family, welcome to your new backyard.
Oh my God! Is this ours?
You see what's next, Jojo? Yeah, you see why I was stalling you here? All right, shall we?
Oh my God!
Oh, Jojo.
Jojo, look at that!
When we walked into the yard, I was just overcome with emotion. Joseph was really happy.
His tears said it all.
It's beautiful, right? Oh wow!
It was emotional for all of us.
Oh, it just melts my heart. I mean, what does any parent want for their child? You want to see them smile, you want to see them happy.
Oh my God, look, they put their school!
So we made this an official Massapequa Chief court for you with the Massapequa colors.
Come on, Jojo, lay it up.
James is only 11, but he is mature beyond his years. Oftentimes, he is the third parent to his two younger brothers, who both have severe autism. What do you say? You guys want to come home? You ready? Let's do this.
Excited. Let's see.
Welcome home.
Oh my God!
Oh wow. They're gonna love this.
It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
And just seeing the murals up there, and the bunk beds, and the lights, and the little lightning balls. Absolutely incredible. I'm amazed.
These sensory items in here is just the tip of the iceberg. You guys want to go up and see the actual sensory room?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Personality-wise, I mean, it suits both of them so well. Mikey has his little reading corner, the fish for Joe.
The ball pit.
Yeah, right? Get in there.
Now they have the rock wall. They have the noodles, which are so cool with the lights.
I can't begin to put into words what this does for our family.
So we came in here and we wanted to do the bedroom for Mikey and Joey, and we wanted to do the sensory room for them, but we couldn't leave out the third parent, the third adult in the house. Welcome to the stadium.
Oh, holy, wow. This is when you know he's super happy, because he just like...
To see James walk into his new room and be completely dumbfounded, he just looked around and he saw everything that he loves.
I have surprised a lot of amazing people on George to Rescue, and I have never met anyone like Sparsh Shaw.
If you can believe it, you can achieve it. I'm 14 years old, and I'm a singer, songwriter, rapper, and inspirational speaker from New Jersey. I have osteogenesis imperfecta. In layman's terms, that's brittle bone disorder. It's a rare and currently incurable genetic disorder. It causes a person's bones to be very fragile. Everyday life is kind of a bit of a challenge because, you know, you never know when something could happen, so you always have to be careful.
Sparsh is determined to change the world, and I want to help him do it. And the best way I can do that is to make it easier for him to do it from the comfort of his own home. Accessibility is a major challenge, but I have some big ideas that'll give Sparsh the freedom to continue inspiring millions.
I'm excited to go in.
You ready? All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
All right, welcome home.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Okay, first impression.
Brick wall right here.
Small things like these, but it just saves us.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, my God.
Mr. Oliphant opened the curtain, and I was just blown, mind blown. I was like, this is the thing that I've been waiting for so long.
Look at this.
I got my own studio.
All the records.
Oh my.
There's pure rhythm there too.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, and actually this desk, if you look right here.
Oh! Let's go.
Sparsh can go places just sitting in this one place.
Yeah.
He can reach out to millions of people, just sitting from this space in our house, this studio.
Yeah. I got my own powerhouse studio.
Obviously, it's gonna give Sparsh those wings to be where he wants to be, but as a family, we have to not worry about bringing him in and out of the house. He can do things that we thought that he wouldn't be able to do yet at all.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.